My name is Josh, and last week on the Lonely Mountain, we were working on milling our parts for stairs. On this episode, we're going to lay them out, cut them, put them together. These will be our front and back steps for our cabin on the mountain. Thanks for watching. Now, since we haven't had time to get to the mountain in the last couple weeks, we've decided to take on a few projects back home in preparation. Now, the planks that we cut in the last video are true 2x12. They're very, very strong, and they're from old growth clear cedar. So yeah, we're really excited. They only need 2 stair jacks each, and they will most likely be temporary because one of these days I'd like to do a video about building a deck around our cabin. I had a couple last pieces to trim down, which is why we had to fire up the mill just one more time. Now, you guys don't know this, but this is a Saturday, and it's about 98 degrees outside. So please excuse my fashion choice for this project, as it's not really true outdoors gear. Right there, we're squaring up the ends of these treads. Now, this was not one of my best ideas, but I was frustrated and I had my extension cord being used for my kid's school pump, and the rest of my cords were at the mountain, and so yes, I did in fact take a sheetrock jab saw to finish up my stair jack cuts. Laugh all you want. I am. Now I went with a 2-inch overhang on the sides, a 1-inch overhang on the front of the nosing, and I'm kind of attempting to put the prettier sides up and Eventually I went through at the end and I did seal my knots with some wood glue to kind of help them last longer. I'm using a structural decking screw, which of course is too short now that I went with actual 2x material, and so I'm countersinking them about 1/2 inch. Oh, here's where the summer fashion comes in. Classic. If any of you guys are wondering what I might be listening to, it's actually an audiobook. Well, there's a show out right now called The Terminal List with Chris Pratt, which is a fictional show about a Navy SEAL. And I couldn't get enough, and so I thought I would try the audiobook. And there are some changes between the book and the show, which are pretty interesting. So that's what I have in my ears. I'm attempting to maybe lessen the squeaks or to skip just a tad extra strength with this Type Bond 3. It is an outdoor rated glue. If there's anybody out there that has not cut stair jacks before, it's no easy task, and there's an art to it, and it's on a lot of carpentry tests. I think they came out pretty good. Thanks for watching. And thanks for watching My Lonely Mountain. Have a good one.